Heidi-ho, mad scientists. Welcome to the Mad Science Lab. We are so glad you're here. Now, we've got a really special show for you this year. It's called The Case for Santa Claus. So what we did, we wondered if Santa Claus is real. We think he is. If Santa Claus is real, we know he is. He must be able to do all that stuff. So scientifically, we're going to investigate and find out if he can do all of the hard questions that we have about Santa Claus. I've got Christmas presents. I've got other things over here so that we can unpack them and see. Take a look. Go. 1, 2, 3. Red. There we go. There we go. Ah! It's making a bunch of little bubbles. Sit down. Please wait, please wait, please wait, please wait, please wait. If you're ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. It's working, okay? 1, 2, 3. Christmas magic. And it worked! It worked! Look at that way up there! That is so exciting. We'll be studying that and more this Christmas season as we solve the case for Santa Claus right here in the Mad Science Lab. Don't miss it.